Hey guys, another recap. Today is what, Friday, May 6th, right? Whoa, that was actually a pretty boring open. I don't know if you guys traded. Let me know in comments. How was your day? I did trade three stocks: SIDU, SWVL, and BBIG. And by the way, sorry for the noise. It's so windy here in the south. It's crazy. Like, all the branches are falling off, so you might see a branch just hit me in the head, you know. Hey, maybe it's going to be better. Maybe it's going to be one of those, bright moments. I'll figure out how to trade better. Today was, I'd say, I don't know, it's almost like a break-even day for me. $160 in the green. I was up maximum, the highest was 190, I believe. So I was taking it easy. So as I told you yesterday, guys, I did make a change in my trading style. Not trading style. I kind of kept the style the same, but my change, that it's not a trading style, forcing me to change my style, if that makes sense. So, and maybe when I'm near the computer, I can talk more about it, and I'll tell you why I did that, because I think it's a little bit of a psychological reason, right? And it's more of like a characteristics of a person rather than any other reason. So that's something that probably each individual person will have to work on their own, right? And figure out what works for them the best. This is my attempt, right? So anyway, $160 green. It's okay. I feel like I'm in the right direction. I feel like I'm slowly figuring out what's up, because as I told you, Monday and Tuesday were pretty bad, I would say. And like I said, when I'm near a computer, maybe I can go into the whole details. Maybe I'll show you the P&L and stuff, what I did and what I didn't do, right? So let me know what you guys traded, how you did. I know Bunnman killed it today on SIDU, and the morning was pretty dead. Like, I think I woke up, I kind of like opened up the scanners and nothing was on. I was like, wait, is it even working? So anyway, yeah, that was the morning. And then SIDU, all of a sudden, I got to a point where I wouldn't even trust SIDU, if that makes sense, right? You wouldn't even trust the way that it could move. But then all of a sudden, Bunnman got on the horse, right? And there's other people, you can see the level 2 starts popping, and you were like, crap, maybe I should get in, right? And you have these doubts in you, and then even if you get in, it's like a smaller share size because the market's been pretty dead lately, right? So anyway, that's kind of where I'm at. And I know there's a sun in the background, and I'm using my front camera on the phone, and I have like a antique phone, so apologies for that, guys. But hopefully eventually I'll get a better phone. But I like this idea of walking outside and doing recaps, and rather than just kind of showing you guys the charts and stuff. It's pretty much everybody's doing that. And I haven't watched anybody's recaps today. I don't know how Marcella did. I don't know how RT finished up the day. Hopefully green, everybody. I know Bunnman finished up, right? Almost 30 grand or whatever, 28 something, maybe a little less. So I think overall it was kind of like it gave opportunities, right? So you had a chance to make it. But what I noticed for this past week, and what I noticed is the mornings, right? That 9:30 to 10:30, 11ish, maybe 9:30 to even 10. That first 30 minutes, that's where the majority of the volume comes in. And I feel like the reason why is people want to get in. They just kind of want to make it or break it, whatever. Like, if they're green, they're good. They just go happily on their vacation to their beach house, whatever. And then if they're red, they're okay too. They just close the shop and go in the beach house too, right? So I feel like this is the time of the year where people do that. And I don't know if you guys listen to to that the podcast of the two guys that talk about finance and investment and stuff. I do sometimes when I'm like on a road trip or whatnot, and I've heard a concept. It's called Rolo. Yeah, it's derived from YOLO, right? So just look it up. It's actually pretty interesting, and I think it could be the reason why we see what we see in the stock market too, right? And people are just kind of want to get in. They value their lifetime more than the money that they make, if that makes sense, right? If they're profitable in the first 30 minutes, first hour, they're happy that they made it. If not, they're also happy because they have this extra time for the rest of the day to themselves. And I think it's important once you reach that point to balance that out, right? And I know there's a lot of people out there on YouTube talk about that level of information, that granularity, but I just kind of wanted also touch on that, if that makes sense. But today, again, $160, not a lot of money, right? Not a $20,000 day, but for me, it's a move in the right direction, if that makes sense. I feel like I'm moving in the right direction, and I feel like I'm slowly figuring out why and which levers to push and move, right? There's obviously limitation, and I'll talk about limitation maybe over a weekend or something, why they have limitations. But I also feel like the move I made, the change, it wasn't necessary. Nothing was forcing me to do that, but I did it anyway. So, and I also want to talk to you why it's important to do those type of moves, how it makes you a better person as a trader, is an even better person in general in anything you do, even if you open your own business, even if you want to try to, business, trader, maybe even in school. Who knows, right? You can apply that knowledge. But anyway, that's it for me. That's my recap pretty much. And it's a beautiful day. It's a little windy, right? But, I'm enjoying the Friday. So I'm going to go crack open the cold one and enjoy the rest of my day. Hopefully you guys do the same. Please leave a comment how you guys did. Let me know how your Friday went. Did you trade anything? Did you just left it alone, just went to your 9 to 5, just finished the day earlier, spending some time as a family? Just keep me posted, guys. And by the way, thanks for all the comments for the previous video. It was really nice to hear from everybody. So hopefully you guys keep in touch and stuff. So yeah, keep them coming. Keep them coming, guys, comments, and let me know how you guys doing. Maybe we'll sync up over, Discord. Peace.